Bafana Bafana winning the AFCON 2025 that is gonna be held in Morocco in December. Can we do it? Can Hugo Broos finally end the trophy drought in our national team? Yes, we can. With the type of players, the squad, the coach, and the mentality that South Africa currently has, we can. We will beat Egypt, we'll beat Angola, we'll beat Zimbabwe to advance to the knockout stages. And whoever we meet, we're gonna do what we did previously, but this time we are making it all the way to the final and clinching that AFCON title for the first time since 1996. This is our golden squad, golden generation squad, if you cannot see it. We may have opinions of who coach must choose, but this is our golden squad, and I feel like Ronwen Williams will be the first captain to lift the AFCON title since 1996. Watch the space. What do you think? Drop your opinion in the comment section. I am Spelo Dlamini, and that's just my opinion saying Bafana Bafana is taking the AFCON title.